Today we are going to make this beautiful flower. Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty Sewing channel. Here I am taken 1 inch width satin ribbon for the center part of the flower. Fold the ribbon into half and cut it out. As shown in the video, stick the double-sided tape to the cut piece. For this flower, 1/4 inch width tape is best. In this video, I am used 1/2 inch width tape. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe. Get more beautiful video updates from our channel. Please like the video for reaching more number of audience. Here I am having only 1/2 inch width tape, but 1/4 inch width part of the tape is enough, so that remaining part I will use it for second ribbon piece. If you use 1/4 inch width tape, then you can easily stick the ribbon without struggle. Based on the center line, cut the ribbon. If you use 1/4 inch tape, don't need to cut like this. As shown in the video, now remove some horizontal threads from satin ribbon. In our channel, we are done with many flowers using satin ribbon and form sheet. If you are interested, please visit our channel videos. Now peel out the upper cover of the tape. As shown in the video, roll out the ribbon. With the help of the scissor, trim out the extras as shown here. The beauty of the center part is mainly depends on the trimming and quality of the ribbon we are using. Now center part is ready. To get the better look for this flower, take 1/2 inch satin width ribbon and length 3 centimeters. Now apply glue to the center part of the bottom. Stick the each petal as shown here. Now flower part is completed. For the leaf, Here I am taken 1.5 inch width satin ribbon with the length 7 centimeters. Now do the procedure as follows. Now beautiful flower is ready to use. Don't forget to like and share the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.